Have you ever stopped and wondered how creators are producing those ultra-realistic mini camera-mounted animal shorts and somehow pulling millions of views with them? What if I told you this niche is still early, not saturated, not overcrowded, which means if you start now and stay consistent, you're not late, you're early. And no, we are not using paid tools, no hidden subscriptions. This entire workflow is 100% free and repeatable. Let's break it down properly. First, I've prepared a structured master prompt for you. The link is in the description. Copy it carefully. Once copied, open ChatGPT and paste the full master prompt. After sending it, ChatGPT will generate 15 small ground animal ideas suitable for micro camera content. Simply reply with the animal you want to use. For this tutorial, we'll choose naked mole rat. Now here's where it gets powerful. ChatGPT will generate 1 detailed cinematic image generation prompt and 5 structured motion prompts for scene progression. This is important because we're not creating random clips, we're building continuity. Step 1. Create the base image. Copy the image generation prompt. Now go to Whisk AI, free image generation. You can also use Grok AI, both work fine on free accounts. Select the correct portrait ratio, TikTok size, paste the prompt, generate. Download the most realistic image. This image is your foundation frame. Everything will build from this. Now go to Grok AI. Open the Imagine section. Upload the base image. Grok will try to auto-generate a video immediately. Cancel that. We don't want random animation. We want controlled motion. Click Customize. Now copy the first motion prompt from ChatGPT and paste it. Generate the video. Upscale if needed. Download the best result. Now here comes the workflow trick that creates realism. Step 3. The continuity method, most important part. Open the generated video. Go to the last frame. Take a screenshot. Crop it to TikTok ratio. Why? Because we are using the final frame of one motion as the starting frame of the next. This creates natural progression, like the micro camera is continuously recording. Now, upload that screenshot to Grok, paste the second motion prompt, generate. Repeat this same structured process for all 5 motion prompts. What we are doing is stretching one continuous micro camera moment across multiple cinematic clips. That's what makes it look authentic instead of AI random. Step 4. Editing. Once all clips are generated, import them into your editing software. Place them sequentially. Keep the original clip audio. It adds environmental realism. You can add light background music if needed for retention, but don't overpower the natural sound. Export in high quality. And just like that, your mini camera animal short is ready. This niche rewards consistency. The creators winning right now are not doing anything magical. They are just early and structured. Stay consistent, improve each upload, and build before the crowd arrives.